Hey, hi and welcome back. I hope that you are enjoying this training. So till now we have completed 4 modules and this is basically the 5th module of this training, which is all about bill of material, manufacturing data and component soldering. So in this module, we are going to give life to the PCB that we designed in previous modules. Okay. So in this module, you are going to learn a lot of valuable things which will help you in your professional life. Alright, and I know that you are excited to know the procedure and you are eagerly waiting for this particular part. So your waiting is over now and let's start with the first topic of this module, which is about bill of material and manufacturing data generation. Alright, so now let's start with this video. So now let me tell you what you're going to learn in the videos covered in this particular topic. So the first video is about introduction to Gerber data. So Gerber data is basically the data that we need to send to the PCB manufacturer in order to get the PCB manufactured. Okay. So in this video, I will tell you what exactly is Gerber data and what are the different files which are actually present in the Gerber data. Okay. So all those things we are actually going to discuss in this particular video, which is about introduction to Gerber data. Then the next video is about introduction to Gerber Viewer. So in this video, I'm going to take you to the online Gerber Viewer tool and there I will show you how exactly the different files which are present in the Gerber data look like. Okay. So in this video, you are going to get more clarity about the different files which are actually present in the Gerber data. We also call these files as Gerber files. Okay. So basically, I'm going to show you the Gerber files in this particular video. Then the next video is about pre-ordering procedure. So we actually need to follow some procedure before we send the PCB to the manufacturer, and what exactly that procedure is, I'm going to discuss in this particular video. Then the next video is about how to order the PCB. So in this video, I'm going to take you to the online PCB manufacturer's website and later I will show you the detailed procedure to order the PCB from that particular website. Okay. So that's all about this particular video. Then the next video is about introduction to bill of material. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to generate the bill of material for our design. And also we will discuss what exactly bill of material consists of. Okay. So all those things we are going to discuss in this particular video. Then the next video is about how to order the components. So in this particular video, I'm going to take you to the online electronics components website. And there I will show you how to get a specific component that we need in our design. Okay. So that's how basically we are going to cover this particular topic. And I'm sure you will definitely enjoy this particular topic. Okay. Now let's start with this video, which is about introduction to Gerber data.